Welcome to Quick Bite, your fast and friendly Florida insurance update.
Hello, hello, hello. My name is Roshonda, agency owner of the Isom Insurance Group, right here in the Sunshine State of Florida, here with a new Quick Bite episode, your fast and informative insurance industry update. Today is Wednesday, Hump Day, October the 15th, 2025, and we're talking about a major shift happening in property insurance. Homeowners are warming up to DIY digital claims. And no, I don't mean fixing your roof with YouTube and duct tape. I mean, people are using their smartphones to document property insurance claims and even start a claim on their own. It's part of a broader trend that could change how we handle claims forever. And a brand new national survey is showing just how big this shift is. Let's dive into it. Here are the highlights from that survey. Nearly 80% of US homeowners said they would use their smartphone to document property damage for an insurance claim. More than 55% said they would take their smartphone photos to request a quote for a new policy. And here's a surprise: older homeowners are among the most willing. Over 80% of people aged 60 and older said they'll self document damage if it meant speeding up their claim. But there's a catch: enthusiasm doesn't always mean confidence. 61.9% worry they might make mistakes, like missing a photo or labeling something wrong that could impact their claim. 46% said they're unsure exactly what they should be documenting. 63.7% want step-by-step guidance. 48.3% would like live help during the process, and 38.6% said they'll rely on their agent for support. So people want to take part, they just don't want to mess it up. So, why is this shift happening now? There are a few reasons. First, convenience. Homeowners don't want to wait 3 days for an adjuster to show up when they could snap photos in minutes and start the claim immediately. Second, control. People like being involved. Taking their own photos gives them confidence that that the story of the damage is being told accurately. Third, technology. Today's smartphones have better cameras than professional equipment from a decade ago. That's boosting trust in DIY documentation. And finally, industry pressure. Insurers are trying to cut costs and speed up claims. Letting homeowners do part of the work can help everyone when done right. But here's the thing: just because you can do something doesn't mean it'll turn out well. I can technically cut my own hair, but let's just say I don't want to walk around looking like a bad insurance commercial. DIY claims bring risks, and insurers are paying attention. First, incomplete documentation. A homeowner might take three close-ups of a hole in the ceiling, but forget the wide shot that shows the full scope of the damage. That can slow the claim or create disputes. Second, misdamage. Not all damage is visible. Things like water intrusion or structural issues may not show up in a basic photo, leading to underpayment or future problems. Third, fraud risk. Whether intentional or accidental, inaccurate photos can cause serious issues. Carriers will still need systems to verify submissions. Fourth, tech challenges. Not everyone is tech savvy. Poor lighting, wrong angles, or app errors can cause frustration and delays. Finally, compliance. State laws still govern how claims must be documented. A DIY tool must meet legal standards. It's not a free for all. The survey tells us people want to do this, but they also want help doing it right. Let's talk about how this looks in the real world. Some insurers already allow homeowners to upload photos immediately after a storm. An adjuster reviews them remotely and decides if they need to visit in person or can process the claim right away. This can cut claims times by days or even weeks. During major catastrophes, companies use homeowner photos alongside drone or satellite imagery to access large scale damage. That helps them prioritize which homes need urgent attention. We've already seen this succeed in auto insurance. Most major carriers now let you upload crash photos directly through an app, and many claims get paid without an adjuster even visiting the car. Property insurance is catching up. But we've also seen problems. Some homeowners submitted photos, the damage was estimated, and they ended up in disputes. That's why DIY should complement adjusters, not replace them. If you're an insurer or an agent or part of the property insurance world, this shift towards DIY claims directly affects you. Let's start with insurers. First, build guided apps that walk homeowners through the claims process step by step. Don't assume they know what to photograph. Tell them exactly what to capture, from what angle, and how many pictures you need. The clearer the instructions, the fewer mistakes you'll deal with on the back end. Second, offer real-time support. The survey shows almost half of the homeowners say they'll feel more confident if they could get help in the moment. That might mean adding a live chat feature, a quick call button, or even a short video tutorials built right into the claims app, if I can speak. Third, use AI tools to review submissions, flag missing details, but, and this is important, keep a human in the loop. Automation can speed things up, but human oversight makes sure nothing important slips through the cracks. And finally, make sure your entire process is compliant and fraud resistant. That means checking metadata and photos, verifying timestamps, and having policies in place to catch anything suspicious. Now let's talk about agents. This is your chance to shine. Be proactive and educate your clients before a claim ever happens. A simple one-page photo checklist can make a world of difference when a storm hits and emotions are running high. Offer to walk them through the process if they need it. A 5-minute phone call right after a loss could save them weeks of frustration and prevent costly mistakes. And position yourself as a trusted guide. Technology is great, but even the most advanced app can't replace the peace of mind that comes from talking to a real person who knows the system. Finally, for homeowners, if you're watching this, here's your part. Take your time when documenting damages. Capture multiple angles and include wider shots that show the full context. Save the original photos and keep backups. Cloud storage, email them to yourself, anything that keeps them safe. If you're unsure of what to do or what to submit, call your agent, your insurer before you hit send. It's always better to ask a quick question than to risk delaying your claim. And remember, when it comes to documentation, more is better than less. If you think you're over documenting, you're probably doing it just right. Here's the bottom line from today's Quick Bite. Nearly 80% of homeowners said they'll use their smartphones to document property damage for a claim. That's a clear sign that the future of insurance claims will be digital, mobile, and client-driven. But it also shows that guidance, education, and support are more important than ever. The future isn't all DIY or all traditional. It's a hybrid. And the insurers and agents who get that right will win trust, improve efficiency, and deliver better results for everyone. Now, I'll love to hear from you. If you found today's Quick Bite helpful, please like this video, share with a friend, and drop comments below with any topics you'll like for me to cover in the future. Remember, Quick Bite episodes drop Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. Should not be taken as legal, tax, or specific insurance advice. Please consult with a licensed insurance professional about your unique situation. This is Roshonda with the Isom Insurance Group here in sunny Florida. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at isominsurancegroup.com.